my channel. I'm Hilda here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a planter from a loofah. I'll show you two ways of making it. So let's get started. So I got this online. I'll put a link in the description box. So these are the 3 ways of using a loofah as a planter. Here I've used mud inside. Here I've put a bottle. You can put a glass if you have. Here I'm using this inside a glass where I've put pebbles like this. You can use colored stones, or you can put some shells, whichever way you want. This will look nice anywhere, but especially I feel it will look very nice in your bathroom as a bathroom decor. This is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Do tune in again. I'll come back with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I love you all.